Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the parent chain. The longest carbon chain containing the amide, C is equal to ONH, group is the principal chain. Counting from the carbonyl carbon end, C1 is the carbonyl carbon, C2 is CH2, C3 has Cl, C4 has Cl, C5 has Br, C6 has Br, C7 is CH3. This gives a 7-carbon chain, heptanamide. Moving on to the next step. Identify the principal characteristic group. The amide group, C, is equal to O, NH, is the principal characteristic group, so the compound is named as an amide, heptanamide. Moving on to the next step. Number the chain. Numbering starts from the carbonyl carbon, C1, toward the substituents, C1, C is equal to O, C2, CH2, C3, CHCl, C4, CHCl, C5, CHBr, C6, CHBr, C7, CH3. And for the final step, identify and locate substituents on the chain. At C3, Cl, at C4, Cl, at C5, Br, at C6, Br. These give 3, 4 dichloro and 5, 6 dibromo substituents. Identify the N substituent. The nitrogen bears a 2-chlorothyl group, CH to CH to Cl, so it is N2-chlorothyl. Bromo before chloro. Combining 5, 6 dibromo, 3, 4 dichloro N2-chlorothyl, heptanamide. Verify numbering gives lowest locants to substituents. Numbering from carbonyl end gives locants 3, 4, 5, 6 versus numbering from methyl end would give 2, 3, 4, 5, but the carbonyl carbon must be C1 in amide nomenclature, so the numbering is fixed. Therefore, the correct answer is 5, 6 dibromo, 3, 4 dichloro N2-chlorothyl, heptanamide. The correct answer is shown on screen.